Welcome to another episode of B&B Games. I'm B, and today we are going to be opening two boxes of Flam! Phantom Psych. We're not doing that today. Today we are going to be opening up just these few little packs. Got 5 packs of Legendary Duelist, Rage of Ra. I always want to say Rise of Ra, but Rage of Ra. And 2 tournament packs. Hopefully, out of this, we can maybe get the Great White Buffalo. Great White Buffalo. But I will be doing the Phantom Rage box opening at a later date. Don't know when, but open up both of those and do a video for that. But for now, we're going to focus on this, and we're going to start with a couple little tournament packs here. So, let's get this cracking and see what we got here. Oh yeah, baby, give up the goods. Alright, the first couple cards we got are a Generator Token, Bottomless Trap Hole, and a Lady in White. That token's pretty sweet, not gonna lie. So, yeah. I can dig it. And out of the second pack, we have got Ultimate Ultimaya Tolkien Monster for 5Ds from Crest, Dimensional Prison, and last but not least, Bio Gear Drone. Look at that, all crispy and shiny. Alright, lay that up for you guys so you can see that. 3 cards I got for that. Nothing just wow you, but you know, nice little things here and there. Now, for the big boys. Got 5 packs, count 5. Give them a good mix. Shuffle them up. Hopefully you get something sweet. Maybe the Great White Buffalo will show up for us. Never know. Start with this one first. Token Sunday, Ra's Disciple, Mechlord Emperor Weisel, Mechlord Assembly, and the Mound of the Bound Creator. Not the Great White Buffalo, but decent cards. So we're gonna go with this pack right here. Hopefully, Great White Buffalo, aka Ghost Road. Is this the one? Might be the one. Let's find out. Token Sunday, Gentle Ejector, Monster Reborn, and Mechlord Cyber Energy Shot. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just going straight in, people. Straight in. Holding Legs. Resolute Mechlord Army. Mechlord Fortress. Gentle Ejector. Makiura the Destructor. Nothing. Got 2 packs left. Not even as I knowingly shuffle them around. Alright. This guy. Brain control, holding arms, monster villain, Mechlord Emperor Grano. Actually, a really good card to have in the Mechlord deck. And Mechlord Astro Eradicator. Another good card to have in the Mechlord deck. But not the card we're looking for. Final one. There can only be one. Alright, let's do this. Take a sip of my drink for good luck. Alright. Genzo Ejector, Holding Arms, Bob Cosmos, and Cosmo Chain. Not the cards we're looking for, but it is alright. It is alright. So, spread everything out, maybe. Kind of put everything in the view for you guys. I actually do plan on doing a video for you guys that was actually inspired by these packs. So that will be something to look forward to in the future, hopefully sooner and not later. Yeah, that's the end for this video, you guys. Ain't really get nothing too sweet, but got some good support cards for Mechlords. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for when we do new videos. And I will get at you guys next time. Alright. See ya.